Hi guys, so let me give you a quick introduction over this app I just made using Glide called Brainstorming. So basically, it's an app to help workshop facilitators to animate their brainstorming sessions in a remote mode. Especially useful for this for the COVID situation, actually. So this is an app we use Glide to create this. And we're going to use the brainwriting technique. If you're not familiar with this technique, don't worry, I will explain it in this video and everything will be explained as well in this app. So let's get right into it. So maybe you already knew behind each Glide mobile app is Google Sheets. So actually, this is Glide is a no-code tool using Google Sheet to create a mobile app. So as you can see here, I put an image called your logo, but actually when you use this template, you can just simply put a new link to a photo of your actual logo, and then it will be updated automatically on this on your app. Okay, so for each brainstorming session, we need to have a problem to solve, right? So let's say that we're trying to solve how to conduct brainstorming session in remote. The brainwriting technique is works as following. Each participant has 5 minutes to post 3 ideas of solution that comes to her or his mind. So actually, what we have here is a form button to be exact, to publish a new idea. So what's your name? My name is Koi, by the way. A title for your idea: a mobile app to animate brainstorming. It's a little bit more about this idea you have. Mobile app where users can post new ideas, give feedback, vote. Well, you can already hit submit, but you can also add an image to illustrate your idea. And then we have to wait for it to upload it. Sorry guys, my Wi-Fi is terrible at the moment. 99, 100%. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, done. Submit. So if we scroll down, you can see the new idea I just posted here. A mobile app to animate brainstorming, posted by Koi. Just click on it. Okay, so this screen reflects all the information we just filled into just a couple of seconds ago. So actually what it does is as a form button, when you submit a new idea, it just generate a new line here on your spreadsheet, Google Sheet, that translate into this screen. I also already configured the template so that only you as the owner of the idea can modify it using this button. Okay. I want to modify my ideas. Great. Done and done. It's here. Okay. So obviously we give our participants sometimes to post ideas, and then each participant will click on all the ideas to give them feedback. Let's say text. Obviously, I just put some templates of ideas here. Let's say I would like to give feedback to Vanessa. Idea one. I don't speak Latin, but it seems interesting. Okay, I will add a comment. It's interesting, Vanessa. I think you can use Glide to create an app. This idea, right? Advertisement for Glide, up, post, and this is a comment section where participants can give feedbacks on other ideas. Okay, so once you give feedback for all ideas, you can go to voting space to choose the best idea for each participant. It's very simple. It's super simple. Just click on the idea and vote. Maybe you already see the button vote before. Okay, so let me explain. This button here is actually a vote button that we use a very advanced feature from Glide to configure it. It's what we call compound action. It's basically work like you configure workflows to so Glide can execute it. So let's see. This is a very new features from Glide. This action is called vote. This is a compound action, meaning is that the action is was created by me, and it works only for this app, but no other apps. So if you can go into the workflow studio, workflow design screen here, you can see that whenever I click on that button, I can add a new row on my spreadsheet. The sheet is the upvote backend, as you can see here. I will create a new row on this, and it will register the user email address, the idea, and the current data. And on my, so it will register here. Okay. And then it will show you a notification. Thanks for your vote. And it goes back. Very simple compound action. But with this, you can create a lot of things. Glide is super generous to give us a lot of kind of type of actions you can compound together to create such a workflow inside your app. So this is just a very simple example of this. Okay. So let's say I click on this button. I click on this to vote for the idea number 1. I click on it. It goes back and it shows me thanks for your vote. On the spreadsheet here, it will register my email, my idea, and the date. And actually what is very simple is here. As you can see, I just voted for the idea number 1, so it now has 3 votes. So guys, basically this is it. So that's everything I have configured on this app. Just please take it and use it as you please. You can also modify it, no problem. And I will see you next time for another apps. Thank you. Bye.